Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be trying out this Kobalt electric lawnmower. Thanks for joining me. My brother watched my video on the DeWalt electric mower and he said I should try out his Kobalt. So that's what I am doing today. So this is a Kobalt 40 volt max brushless electric self-propelled lawnmower. So I'll give you a quick walk around and then we'll go try it out. And so there it is. It is a brushless motor made by Kobalt. It's a 21-inch deck, self-propelled, 40 volt max. The batteries go in here. It's got the little safety key in here. So it takes two 40 volt batteries. And then up here, it actually has these nice little, well, it's got your speed control, your self-propel, then your speed control here, and then it will have the meter for the battery. To get it started, you push this and then pull back the handle here at the same time. So that's how that part of it works. Now it is all assembled. It does come with a bagger option. My brother does not use the bagger, so he did not send that with me. He's got the side discharge on it, so that is how we are going to be using it today. It has a single lever here for the height adjustment, so you can raise and lower the machine with just that single lever. So it's got some nice features. We'll go ahead and try this thing out. I'm going to show it cut about 3 or 4 passes like I did with the other videos. I do mow my entire lawn. I got some negative comment on the DeWalt one, and you know, I do mow the entire yard, and I just don't think people want to watch a 3-hour video of me mowing the lawn. So what I do is I go around the corner here, and I mow the back section. We haven't had much rain, so it looks pretty dry, and really the only stuff where I've got any real green or growth is going to be around the garden here. So yeah, so I do this back section here. And then I go down on this side all the way down to the front. And then once I'm done with that, then I mow the other side. And the stuff along the edge of the driveway looks a little long, a little green, but then I hit the side yard here. I gotta mow the boulevard. And then from there, I will do the front. And then of course there is the other side of the garage. It's about 2 passes on the other side, but I don't know. Do you want to watch a 3-hour video of me mowing the lawn? Probably not, but I'll make my little passes here. I will continue to mow the lawn, and then when I'm done, I will let you know what I think. So like I said, that's just the 3 or 4 passes there just to show you that it is cutting. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my yard, and in about 3 hours I will be all done and let you know what I think of it. I do have to say though, it has been crazy dry, but around our garden, because we have that on a timer, this stuff looks real good. The garden looks real good too. So I really got to compliment my daughter and my wife for doing such a great job on the garden. I mean, we've got so much stuff coming in. We've got squash and peppers and tomatoes and beans and peas. And of course there's flowers to attract pollinators. And so I think these are Brussels sprouts here, so just got a lot of stuff. Got carrots over here, and then our lettuce is doing so well that it's actually growing up into the tomato plants. So but yeah, anyway, I gotta get back to mowing. So I've got most of this section here by the garage. I do need to put a new battery in it already because it did die on me. So back part mostly done, and around the garden I did get the lawn cut around the garden. So but still a lot left to do here, and I'm already changing out a battery. It's easy enough to do though. Just pull that one out, and then you got to switch these around. There we go. So these should be good to go then. I'm just going to let that cool down for a few minutes before I throw it back on the charger. And that shows that those batteries are both charged, so we'll go ahead and get back to work here. Alright, so not a bad mower, but not a great mower either. I got about a third of my yard done, and well, the batteries are dead. So unfortunately, you know, it might work for people that have a small yard. I don't have a small yard. So this just isn't going to work for me. You know, I tried electric with the DeWalt, and again, way better than the DeWalt, but just not for me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time. I gotta finish mowing my lawn.